Next, let's welcome Huifan Cherry, an executive from the business department of Huifan Technology, to introduce the TR101 multi-modal biometric identification terminal. Let's welcome Cherry to come to stage. Welcome.
Hello. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. Good afternoon. Welcome to China. Welcome to Canton Fair. And welcome to HFSecurity New Product Conference. Today, I will very glad to introduce our new smart multi-biometric terminal. Maybe someone will ask, what is biometrics? Have you used any biometric devices before? Maybe you can raise your hands. Wow, yeah, so many use the biometrics. But for me, I will do an example for you. After you come from China, you will get your passport, you will get your visa. Did you capture your facial? Yes, right? Did you capture your fingerprints? Did you capture your iris? Yeah, there are so many. All of these unique bodies, features, that is biometrics. So you can say for biometrics, it's all around our daily life. For Canton Fair, you go to the Canton Fair, you will scan your facial and read the card, right? It do the facial verification. So this is for the biometrics. We can know biometric is a big demand in the market. And we can saw the biometric market trend. I will show the data to you. From the graphic, you will check from 2019 to 2026, only 7 years. It's more than 3 times growing up. So it's big market. Before, only use fingerprints. Now, we will add the facial, iris, or palm vein. For HFSecurity, we do biometrics over 19 years, and every year we visit more than 10 markets, meet more than thousands clients. We get the feedback from marketing, and we do this new smart multi-biometric terminal TR101. So why we call it the latest one? It combines all the biometric features together. There are 5 points. I will show one by one. The first one, if you want to get all the biometric features, you need how many parts? You need the 442 fingerprint reader. You need one camera to capture your facial. You also need the signature card to get your signature. You also need the iris scanner. You need the document scanner. You need the power bank, printer, laptop, everything. Then you can get the whole solution. But now for HFSecurity, new smart multi-biometric terminal, TR101, you can get everything together. So that is the all-in-one terminal, combines everything. The second one will be for the portable. Before, you have to put all the parts in one box. It may be already more than 10 kilograms. It's difficult to catch the flight. And now, only one terminal. Here, I already take this terminal here. After this, you can go and test. It's only 5 kilograms. For all the parts, before you have to collect with different factories, manufacturers, and get the SDK to make them work together perfectly. Now you only need to collect with HFSecurity. You can get the whole solution and only need maybe one engineer team. You will get the whole solution for your clients. The third one is for the unique biometric technology. It combines facial 442 fingerprint reader and signature. It's all the unique one because for everyone, the facial and fingerprint it's different from others. So we combine them together and use the latest biometric algorithm on it to make sure it will be perfect match for you. And we also add for passport, MRI scanner, national ID card, NFC card together. When you fly to China, you will feel that because you just scan your passport, then you will get in. It's very fast. So that is the user-friendly features. The third one is for the smart scanners. You can scan your barcode scanner. Maybe you will use national ID card, driver license, or other card. It has a barcode. We can use this TR101. Scan your barcode to get your national ID card number. Later, you can have a try here. And we also add the built-in thermal printer. You can receive any papers. And for data, because this one is high technology, some maybe consider about your data encryption. It's no worry because we add the 2% card slot to make sure when your data transmission process, it's already encryption. Even in a public network, it will be no problem. Someone may ask if I want to add some other features, how can we do? It's also possible because there are so many interfaces for this new terminal. You can connect with other paths, like you can connect with one X terminal, document scanner, iris scanner, anyone you need. You can just add and collect, then get the whole solution together. Someone also asked if I want to remove some solutions features or I want the iris or document scanner built in. It's also no problem because we also have other options for you. Like the TR105, we remove the printer. If you don't need, you can use this one. And also for the TR760, we combine the chip card and also the iris together. So if you have any special requirements, you can come with us. We are the manufacturing. You can come with us your real solution, real requirements. If you cannot find in the ready market, we can do for you, do the customization. This is our factory in Shenzhen. We are founded in 2005. There are 4 floors, including molding, R&D, warehouse, production lines, and our headquarters is in Chongqing City. Welcome to visit our headquarters and visit our factory. Now, is there any volunteers want to go upstairs and test our TR101, the terminal? You can feel it by yourself. It's very easy to take it. If you already take your driver license or your national ID card, you can go upstairs and have a test now. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Cherry, for your introduction. Now we are inviting someone interested in our production to come on our stage to experience it. Okay, you can raise your hand so I can see you. We invited that handsome man in our gray shirt to come up our stage. Welcome.
Wow, welcome. Let our CTO to help you. Together. Okay, no problem. Android, yeah, Android 11. Yeah, and if you want to do the latest wherein we also can do the customization for you. Finger? Yeah. Wow, you are the teacher now. What's your name? Ah, okay. Left 4 fingers. Ah, great. Your fingerprints. The right. The right one. Right 4. Right. Yeah, because it's left, right, and 2. Now 2 depths. Lift and try again. Yes. Try again. Because you just. Teacher, you very.
Wow, we can see so many people are interested in our production. So we invite you to look at our screen to experience it.
You can clean database first. And enroll. Yeah. Now left 4. Yeah. I think try again because the smaller one. Yeah. Try again.
So if our buyers are interested in our production, we also invite you to come up on our stage to experience it.
Your finger.
We prepare a souvenir for you. So I want to interview someone on our stage. Hello, ma'am. Where are you from?
From LA, Los Angeles.
North Africa, Los Angeles.
USA.
USA. Okay. What items do you wanna know in our Canton Fair? Which items?
Electronics.
Electronics. Okay. Do you wanna experience it? Okay. Okay. Please wait a moment.
This is the first one for the prototype. wait. Oh, you already registered. Oh. Can do verification with me.
Okay, it's great.
Thank you.
Okay, we can see it finished. And I want to interview our gentleman. What's your feeling? What's your feeling?
This is Zia from Afghanistan, and this is one thing that I cannot imagine it really exists. So I think it will bring change in the history of biometrics. All-in-one, portable, and very low cost. We will sign contract to them very soon. Thank you.
Thank you. It's cool.
Thank you.
Thanks for your participation. And thank you, Cherry, for your wonderful speech. If our buyer want to know any information about our company, we invite you to come to their booth to know it. We are happy to help of you.